Hi, today we're showing how easy it is for businesses to automate and streamline frontline processes with Duet AI in AppSheet. We'll show you how a manager can create an app to support the specific onboarding processes of their team. With just a few conversational prompts in Google Chat, Duet AI will generate an app in AppSheet that can be deployed across web and mobile, no coding required. Let's check this out. So this is Aisha. She's a manager for Symbol Precision Parts, a global aerospace manufacturer. She runs a frontline team in Symbol's manufacturing plant in Brazil. But the problem she's solving is truly universal. She needs an app to simplify her onboarding process. She has a big team and is frequently hiring new employees. Right now, the process is fragmented and requires a lot of manual updating and data capture. We know this is a common challenge for many Workspace customers. Aisha wants a way to track the progress of new employees, ensure they've completed key steps, and get them connected with their new team members. Since most of the team members work on the manufacturing floor, she also needs an app that is optimized for mobile use. To get started, Aisha opens Google Chat and finds Duet AI in AppSheet. In traditional app development, a business stakeholder would write a long requirements document, request funding for an app prototype, and maybe, months down the road, have something to look at. With Duet AI and AppSheet, the time from concept to prototype goes from weeks to minutes. Aisha just needs to describe the process she is trying to automate, and Duet AI will do the rest. She enters a short description. She wants an app that easily onboards new employees, tracks their progress, shares their status along the way, and connects them with their team. Duet AI in AppSheet analyzes the prompt and suggests a structure for the app. You'll notice that Duet AI recommends different types of tables and data to be used in the app. Aisha can even make changes to the data details directly in chat. Duet also suggests some basic email notifications to be triggered when data is added to the app. She selects a couple of notifications, but later on, we'll see how she also enables notifications through chat. Aisha can make more changes to the data structure or click on Create App to open AppSheet so she can publish the app. So from a simple conversational description, we will have a clickable app in just a few moments. And here it is. With the help of Duet AI, AppSheet has generated an onboarding app for Aisha. At this point, Aisha has a real, working app to play with. The data tables and screens are all there, populated with mock data generated by Duet AI, and the app is ready to deploy on both desktop and mobile devices. Aisha navigates through the app to get a sense of the experience and to decide if she needs to make any further changes. As a final step, Aisha opens the AppSheet editor. Here, she can modify all the details of her app, including data presentation, view types, automations, branding, notifications, and more, all without writing a single line of code. In this example, let's focus on how Aisha wants to make sure the app is available for mobile users, as well as a Google Chat app. Her manufacturing team on the shop floor primarily use their mobile devices, so she will deploy a mobile version of the app for frontline work. As a manager, she works primarily on a desktop PC and uses Google Chat all day long, so she also wants to make the app available in chat. To do this, she clicks into the Chat app section of the editor. It's a very quick process, usually less than 5 minutes, but will enable a series of powerful features. Specifically, the app will automatically notify her in chat when a new employee completes a specific onboarding milestone, allow her to navigate and view application data directly in chat to check on onboarding status for her team. She opens sharing options to make the app available to her team. She gives her frontline team permissions to access the app, and she can copy the sharing details in email or ping via chat. It's really that simple. The publishing process is one click. No need to go through a complex provisioning process. So let's jump ahead and see what it looks like for Aisha to use her app in Google Chat. From here, she's able to navigate the app and track the status of different team members directly from chat. With just a click, she could take a quick look to see the progress of all her new team members. In addition to tracking completion status, she can also be automatically notified in chat when a user completes onboarding. This can also be configured in AppSheet. Aisha has another space set up to communicate with all of her frontline team members, called Symbol Aerospace. She adds the onboarding app to this space as well. This way, her entire team can be updated as new members complete their onboarding, Her team is pretty psyched. Since many are familiar with the previous onboarding process, they can see how much this app will benefit their team. So that's it. We've seen how an app can be created conversationally with Duet AI in AppSheet and enhanced with rich features like the ability to run in Google Chat. This can take app development from months to minutes, frees up busy IT and dev teams to work on other projects, and empowers business process owners to iterate and refine the app quickly as they get feedback from end users.